So when do you think was the vada pav invented?
Oh, the vada pav itself?
70s. कम से कम 25 साल.
होएगा
30, 35 years. About 100 years old.
1860.
होएगा
75 years.
जब मैं पैदा नहीं हुआ था जब से
Father's name was Ashok Vaidya, and he started in the year 1966. This vada pav. He started at this place only, here only, Dadar station, and the inspiration came from Mr. Balasaheb Thackeray.
South Indians were taking over the business in the 60s. So Thackeray had said that why can't locals have their own businesses and be successful? This guy took lead and he worked hard and started the whole thing.
He was the inspiration to us, like saying ki the Maharashtrians should enter into business venture and things like that, and he started it with his partner, Mr. Vijay Samay.
I will tell you, vadas were known to us because it's a traditional Maharashtrian snack.
So Vaidya decided to just try and innovate, and he put a vada inside the pav and he put some garlic chutney. And fortunately for him, it was a huge success, and that's how the vada pav was born.
Earlier it used to be served as bread separate, vada separate, and two chutneys over there.
Bhaji Papa ji.
Symbol of Bombay.
A vada pav for me is a nice soft pav filled with a big fat vada
करके खाते हैं.
and a little bit of tikha chutney.
While running, you can just have a bite and go it.
And just like put together with lots of chura around it and then eaten.
Vada pav was also originally started for actually mill workers.
गिरने कामगार बहुत थे, तो उन लोग छूटे तो यहाँ सब रश हो जाता था.
People feel that those guys who don't have money are eating vada pav because it is cheap. These are people, they are not short on money, they are short on time. And when you are short on time, vada pav becomes the most convenient snack food.
गरीब से अमीर, college students, job वाले.
Even somebody like a Sachin Tendulkar craves a vada pav.
So it's pretty much a national thing. Every city that you go to, there is a vada pav guy there selling it as Mumbai's famous vada pav.
Even in San Francisco,
People go and bring it a special dish. Today is the program of vada pav, Bombay vada pav.
A vada pav can serve any purpose. It can also be a good breakfast item.
Unfortunately, he might have to shut shop, which is very, very sad because the guy who invented the vada pav, and it's like so much history, he hasn't received his dues.
It has a lot of values for us. We've seen our father working every day and night.
हम लोग का पहला लीगल ही था. 2001 से हम लोग का फी बंद की है. It's a tough situation because the BMC has rules which are meant to be followed, and hawker will have to abide by that. Otherwise, he'll be classified as an illegal hawker and he'll be in serious trouble. BMC अपनी जगह ठीक है क्योंकि hawkers बढ़ गए तो उन लोग के लिए सही है. The BMC wanted him to shift to a building they had constructed near the station on the 3rd floor. स्टेशन हमारा मेन कस्टमर है. स्टेशन से हमको दूर छोड़ के दे रहे तो वहाँ कैसा आएगा? There's nobody coming forth and saying, doing a change.org saying this guy is the guy who invented the vada pav, so he's a part of the city's legacy, so help him. There's no signature campaign, there is no this, there is no that, so. मेरी खुद फैमिली जॉइंट फैमिली है. मैं, मेरा भाई, उनके बच्चे, मेरा पार्टनर, उनके बच्चे, उनकी फैमिली, और मेरे जो आदमी 3 काम करते हैं उनकी फैमिली. सोचिए 35-40 जन का ये रोजगार इसके ऊपर, एक बिजनेस के ऊपर है, तो छीना जाएगा. Mr. Bal Thackeray was alive. He told his Sena Shaka Pramukhs not to touch Ashok Vaidya and his family because they were the guys who actually followed his order of starting their own businesses and being entrepreneurs.
Ever history is written about the vada pav. I think this person should get a mention.
You know your favorite dish, but you don't always know who's invented it.
If Mr. Bal Thackeray were alive, he wouldn't forgive his party members for doing this.